Everyone is using a lot of hand sanitizer and cleaning products these days, to kill the nasties. But a lot of disinfectants and cleaners are full of chemicals, fragrances and compounds like bleach, alcohol and ammonia. The absorption of chemicals and alcohol into the skin can cause unwanted side effects for many people. Side effects like irritations and burns on the skin, but they can also potentially trigger a relapse for those who have suffered with drug addictions or alcoholism. When some chemicals cross paths during the cleaning process, they can become psychoactive and damage our neurochemical system, the system that regulates our sense of well-being, our mood and our mind. There are also other risks and dangers associated with high alcohol and ethanol products. Don't risk your health or safety. Choose a natural solution that is good for you and the environment. Vera, an Australian company, has developed a range of multi-purpose cleaning products and hand sanitizers that use a natural plant-based antibacterial formula. It kills 99.9% of germs, bacteria and pathogens and deactivates most viruses. It's a scientific, natural, paramagnetic molecular formula that is TGA compliant and independently certified. Because Vera products use natural, non-toxic, odorless, non-flammable, plant-based ingredients, they are grey water safe and perfect for use at home, around pets, at the office, on a mine site, at the gym and at schools. The other good news is that Vera have a range of cost-effective refills and concentrates. The refill gauge on the side of the reusable bottles makes them simple to refill, so you can reduce plastic, save money and help the environment. Choose the safe, natural option when it comes to protecting your family, health, home and business. Choose Vera. To learn more or order products, visit veraclean.com.au.